Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you guys so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora versus Morphe, or not really a versus, but I'm just going to be doing a haul with you guys. I haven't sat down and filmed in so long. So I have my Morphe and my Sephora right here. Sorry if that's in the way. I ended up going to the new Morphe store in Square One and I picked up a few things, so I wanted to share with you guys, and I also had a bunch of Sephora stuff kind of just sitting in my room that I wanted to share with you guys. So let's get on with Morphe first. I just got a few things. I'll start off with the lip category. So I got 4 lip products. I have the color pencil in Backseat Love. I then have a liquid lipstick in Jealousy. I have a lip gloss in Flower Crown and another lip gloss in Frosé. So I will quickly swatch all of them for you. So here is the lip color in Backseat Love. It is a sharpen pencil and it goes on super buttery and super smooth. I absolutely love it. It kind of has like a bit of a vanilla-y scent too, but so far so great. And these things I think were like, let me check. This was only $4.50, so definitely recommend, and I will be picking up more shades. And then I will swatch the 2 lip glosses. Again, I got it in Frosé and Flower Crown. I think they had one that I was trying to get, but unfortunately it was sold out in the store and online, so that's obviously a popular one. So that is what their lip gloss looks like right there. I like kind of the half off cap. And this is a beautiful nude color. So that's it swatched right there on my hand. Again, it is like a peachy nude, but I think there's like flecks of gold in it. I'm not too sure. Or like a pinky gold, but it's absolutely stunning, and I definitely can see myself using this a lot this summer. The formula of the glosses are like amazing and very, very pigmented for glosses. Up next is Frosé, and again, this is a gloss, but I'll show you a little bit of a close-up. There's definitely some like gold, pink, purpley glitters in here, and I think it's really cool. But when it's on the lips, you actually don't really see it. It kind of gives it that hue. And they're not gritty or anything on the lips, so I'm going to give you a quick close-up. I don't think you're able to see close-up, but I will swatch it for you. It's hard to get it on camera because it is such a clear gloss. Like, you're not really able to tell. You have to just swatch it in person. It has pink and gold reflex in it, and I think it's absolutely stunning. I can definitely see myself using this over liquid lipsticks, over like, you know, lip liners that I really love. And I am so happy to have these. And again, they weren't really expensive either. I think like $9 or $11. So last up is the matte liquid lipstick, and this is in a frosted glass. So I'll show you the difference. This is the gloss, that is the liquid lipstick there. Super pretty, love the frosted glass, so elegant. And this is definitely like a brownie nude. And I love this formula. It smells like cupcakes, but it is like a pinky brown nude, which is what I wear almost all the time, not only in fall, but throughout the whole year. And this formula is impeccable. It's unbelievable. It's so buttery, so creamy, and so highly pigmented that, like, honestly, when I bought this and I came home and swatched it, I already picked up a couple and they are on their way to my house. So super excited to own a couple more of these, and I think the liquid lipsticks were only like $13, so pretty worth it. I then picked up a couple brushes. Okay, so I picked up 4 brushes. I picked up the R31 brush, which is what I use to highlight my face today. It is part of the rose gold collection, and it's the white bristles. Honestly, it's so good. I'm probably going to pick up a backup of these. You could also use it to like wipe away the powder, but I just used it to highlight today, and I really liked it. Again, from the rose gold collection, I picked up the R44, which is the eyebrow brush. I use this. I did not use this one today yet, but I will use it next time. I always think I could have a backup, and it has a spoolie on the one end, so you can always use another. I then picked up the M454, which is this crease blending brush. I really like crease brushes. I don't know why. I just always pick them up. This one's really tapered and I like it because it would be really easy to get into the crease. So I really like that one. And then I picked up the M441, which is again the white bristles, and this is again a crease blending brush. This one is a bit smaller than this one, and this one's the dual fibro bristles, where this one's just the white ones. So I love their brushes. They work well for me, and again, they were like $4 to $8, so definitely worth every penny. Then when I was in store, they did have their new foundation and concealers. I was unable to get my foundation, but I did pick up this concealer. This is the new full coverage concealer. I got mine in C135 soft matte. I don't know if this is going to be too light for me, but I picked it up anyways. This is the packaging. It's just black lid with a glass, Morphe and everything in black. I like the doe foot applicator. I will give it a quick little swatch. That's the color right there. Again, this is the C135. I have a bit of more of a yellow neutral undertone, so I think this will be really nice. It might be a little light for me, but that's okay. I'll work with it. And so far, the pigment is amazing, and I blended this out earlier on my hand, and it was super full coverage. So a little bit of this will go a long way. And the concealer was only $12, so I think it's worth it. 2 items left. I had to pick these up when I swatched them in store. I first got the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Spark. It's actually what I'm wearing as my highlight today. I love it. I love the packaging. And I really like the formula. I tried to get the lightest one, but unfortunately it was sold out. So I ended up going with this guy. The pan size is huge. Like, look at that. Compared to my hand, that's huge. And I think I'm gonna keep reaching for this receipt. The highlighter was only $19, so that's not bad, especially for the amount that you're getting in here. Let's see, how much are you getting? You're getting 8 grams of product. It does come with a mirror on the other side. I definitely see myself throwing this in my bag, taking it with me, and I really like the color. It's kind of like a pink champagne-y color, I would say. It's really, really nice. Great for light skin tones. And then next up is the Blushing Babes Pop of Rosé Blush Trio, and I got Blend the Rules, I think. Or did I get Pop of Rose? It says Pop of Rose up here, but then it says Blend the Rules, so I'm not too sure what one I got here. Forgot to mention, love the sleek black packaging with Morphe right on top. I really, really like it. So, oh, the thing just fell out. This is what it looks like right there. Absolutely stunning. You have, let me hold it this way for a second. You have Hustle, Driven, and Legendary, and I will give you a quick swatch of them really quick. Legendary, which is the blush I'm actually using on my cheeks today. This is Driven. It's kind of like a blush topper, I would say. And then last but not least is Hustle, and like, I don't know if I should use this as like a contour or like a bronzer. It's really, really dark for my skin tone, but I really like the way that they complemented each other in the pans. It does come with a big mirror. Again, that is Legendary, Driven, and Hustle. And the blush trio was only $16. And like I said, you're getting a blush, I think kind of like a blush topper. There is some shimmer in it, and like you could even use this as a bronzer or a contour, so you're getting 3 products in one for that price, which I think is really, really good. So that was everything I bought from Morphe. Let's get into Sephora. That liquid lipstick will not come off. So this is everything I got from my Sephora order. I picked up a couple Sephora kits, which I'll be uploading soon when I do my breakdown and price per price point to see if it is worth the money. But first off, I got this Origins Our Best of the Best set for $54, and it came with a bunch of their best sellers. I really like the Super Spot Remover, which is what I use on my acne, and I really like the Ginseng Moisturizer, and what was the other one? Oh, the Clear Improvement Masks. So this came with 3 or 4 full-size items. So the spot remover is full-size, believe it or not. You do get a full-size moisturizer, and I think you get 4 For deluxe size, I don't know if these are full size. I'd have to check on Sephora. So you get the Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask, which is gonna help quench thirst. You get the Mega Mushroom Relief Soothing Treatment Lotion. Like I said, the Super Spot Remover, which is really, really good for spot acne. Honestly, you put a little dab on and it's gone the next day. The Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask, which is something I really like. You get a Ginseng eye cream to brighten and depuff, the Ginseng Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, and the Cheeks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. So I definitely think this was well worth the money, especially that little guy right there is I think like $22. And the moisturizer itself I think is like $24, $27. So for 50 bucks, I got the whole thing. I get to try out new products from them. I love Origins, and they are probably one of my favorite skincare brands. Next up, Sephora had a bunch of shower exfoliating things in like summer scents, and I was like, wow, we're in the dead middle of winter with minus 45-degree weather, and they're coming out with scrubbing shower gel? I don't know. So this is the Sephora Beach Vibes Exfoliating Body Granules. It's 8.45 fluid ounces, and honestly, if I was to tell you that this smells like tanning lotion and sunscreen mixed in with a beach, you would probably not believe me. I haven't used this yet. It's just an exfoliating scrub. It contains black sand for a gentle yet effective exfoliation. It's for all skin types, and you pretty much just dampen the skin, rub it on, rinse it off, and you're good to go. So I picked this up. They did have another one. I think it was coconut or rose. So if you're not into kind of the beach scent, who isn't into beach? Like, you know, the tanning lotion and sunscreen and stuff like that. Like, if you're not into that. But they had rose and something else. So this I think was only like 8 or 10 bucks. So I was like, I'll give it a try. I then had to pick up the Beauty Blender Limited Edition Electric Violet Swirl that they came out with. I think it's so cute. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or if I'm just gonna keep it, but it's always good to have an extra beauty blender. I then picked up the new Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer that they came out with. This is the 3.0 one, and this is to hydrate and repair. Since it's winter, again, I live in Canada, it is brutal. This one has marula, rose hip, and avocado. Does this not give you drunk elephant vibes? It's cute. I just opened it to quickly smell it, and it smells like fresh cut roses, which doesn't really bug me that much. If you are sensitive to scent, I would probably go in and smell them yourselves. And this is pretty much a day and night moisturizer. 91% of its ingredients are from natural ingredients, which I think is really cool. So I wanted to give it a try, and my skin's been super dry, so I just decided to pick it up. If you guys want a checkup in like 2 or 3 weeks or whatever, just comment down below on how these products were working for me, or if I got to try them, just let me know. I then picked up the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Lip Shine Lip Kit. Look how cute this is. So this was for $34, and again, these are one of the Sephora Favorites kits. So what I'm basically gonna do for you is I break down each individual item. I will give you a swatch on the lips or on the hands, and I will tell you price point. Then I will add everything up and tell you if it is worth the $34 that you spent. In this kit, you do get a full-size Anastasia lip gloss and a full-size Incredible Jelly Shot lipstick. So right off the bat, I'm only paying $34. I'm getting 2 full-size products, but again, I will break down everything, and if it is up, I will leave it linked in the cards or the description box below. If not, it will be coming soon. So I had to pick this guy up. I never miss out on any of these kits because I think they're so cute. To go along with Sephora's new stuff, this is the Sephora Coconut Water Rubber Mask. So all it is a one-time use, and you literally have this powder in here, and you add it with water to the fill line, and then it creates a rubber mask that you put on. I think that's so cool, and it's like a little pale. Oh my god, I don't know. But this is for quenching and soothing. Again, I'm in Canada, it's minus like 40 degrees. And my skin is super, super dry. Same with my lips. So I'm just trying everything I can to keep it hydrated and not irritated. So next up, I picked another Sephora Favorites kit. This is the Fresh Faced. And let me tell you, I pretty much just picked it up. Please don't fall out. Ugh, it always falls out. For the Smashbox Primerizer. I honestly love it. It's one of my favorite primers, and I'm currently out of it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick this bad boy up. I'll get a deluxe size of this, and it'll be worth the money anyways. So I paid $36 for this, and again, in another video coming, or if it is already up, I will leave it linked in the cards. I will have the breakdown of this to let you know if it is worth the penny and give you a breakdown of each product, what it is, what it's for, and whatnot. So I love these kits. Again, I can reuse this box for something or use it for storage or whatever. So I love getting these kits, and most of the time they are worth your penny. And then last up, I pretty much just have some deluxe size samples, and with it being the lunar year, I don't know what the hell it's called, Sephora had a little card that you could do, and instead of getting a deluxe size or a sample, you could pick this and you could win up to $888. So it came just like this. I got $8 off my purchase, so I can scan that. But then it also came with a card that you got to scratch, and unfortunately I didn't win anything. So mine just said better luck next time. I think it was cute, something that they could add in. I then got the Ole Henriksen Balance Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is the blue mask that everyone used to have on their face a little while ago. I never got to try it, so I wanted to pick up a little 100-point perk of it, see if I like it. Again, I love Ole Henriksen's brand, and I love what they stand by, so I wanted to pick that up. And then I also got the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. Wow, that is a tongue twister. I have no idea what shade it is, but can we just talk about how little? Look at it. It is honestly so tiny, but it's so cute, and look at the color. I will definitely be wearing this. That is like a brownie nude. I'll give it a quick little swatch. It's honestly so moisturizing. Oh wow. It's this one right here. It's really close to the liquid lipstick I just got from Morphe actually, but this is so creamy. Has that vanilla cupcake scent to it, and I love little minis. I don't know about you guys, but I love minis. I keep them and I have them in a display over in my beauty room. But super cute. Can't wait to wear that on the lips and see how it lasts. Two things left. So I got a Sephora clay mask sample. It gave you the balancing, brightening, and pore perfecting little sample of their masks. I do like their masks. I haven't had one in a little while, so it's nice that I got to try all three. And then I also got a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask little sample, which I don't know how much I'll be able to use of it because it's so little, but I'll definitely give it a shot. So that is everything in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave. And if you guys have any products or recommendations that I should try out, leave them down in the comments below. I would love to find out what you guys are loving. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!